The winter storm has started. It's snowing a lot. I think there's already like 5 inches of snow. It's freezing outside. Is it soft?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cold. For lunch, we're going to make barbecue chicken wings and with asparagus. I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to make some white rice, just 1 cup. I'm going to be using this barbecue sauce. The flavor is hickory brown sugar. This one's really good. I like it.
Now they go in the oven for 10 minutes.
The rice is ready. And we're just going to wait for the wings and the asparagus. And these are ready and the wings are ready. We're going to have lunch now. Much snow. That's why they told me to stay home. It's really bad. So much snow. I can't even walk over there to go get some snow off of my car. Enjoy. Just finished having lunch. I'm going to start cleaning. It was really good. I like how the wings came out and everything else. So today we didn't go out because of the bad storm right now, and it's still snowing. I think it's already like more than 6 inches. It's bad. Yeah, there was no service today, so we didn't go to church, and we just stayed home. Tomorrow too, I don't work tomorrow, so I'll be staying home again. Still snowing. It's more than I thought. This is the blizzard of 2026. It's a lot of snow. It's so windy. So this is going to be it for this vlog. I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more, and see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.